Hey, I didn't expect you here so soon, but the first morning I powered up the Aero X16, I actually stopped before clicking anything else. Not because it looks sharp, it does, but because it feels like a machine that actually keeps up with you. Before you dig deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Laptops this powerful don't stay steady in price or easy to find for long, and hesitation is exactly how people end up paying more later or watching units disappear. This laptop isn't for someone who shrugs at lag, long load times, or choppy performance and says that's normal. It's for the person who feels every frame and knows when their gear is holding them back, when gaming stutters, when creative tools lag, when multitasking feels like work instead of flow. I was right there too, using setups that felt good enough, until this machine arrived. The first time I launched a demanding title and watched motion stay fluid, or opened a slew of apps and felt no hesitation, I realized I'd been settling. That wave of relief, when hardware stops getting in your way, hits differently. Once you've lived with that level of responsiveness, anything less starts to feel like compromise. In real use, this laptop shines. Gaming feels connected, motion stays smooth on that XGA screen and controls respond the way you intend, not delayed or blurred. Creative work and heavy multitasking feel intentional instead of strained because the combination of Ryzen AI 7 and GeForce RTX 5060 keeps everything brisk. Everyday tasks don't just run, they flow. And that panel? It's not just high resolution, it makes visuals feel expansive and immersive without battery anxiety. This isn't about specs on paper, it's the feeling that your machine finally matches your pace instead of lagging behind it. While you're thinking it through, take another glance at the price and availability. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people miss out or watch prices climb before they notice. If you're hesitating, that's just your experience anchoring you to gear you've gotten used to. But once you experience performance that feels natural and confident in every scenario, gaming, creation, multitasking, everything else starts to feel like something you used to tolerate, not something you want anymore. One surprise I didn't expect was how seamless everyday use became. Switching between heavy workloads and routine tasks felt effortless instead of fractured. You feel motion stay fluid and sure graphics stay rich and detailed. Responsiveness sharpens every action. Multitasking feels confident and smooth. It makes lesser laptops feel slow. It's absolutely a performance jump. You'll feel the difference every day at some point. You stop cycling through comparisons and choose what already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and then regret every time you sit down and realize your old machine just doesn't keep up. Check the current price and make the choice that actually matches how you want to use your laptop.